So I'm running late. So my boyfriend's on the way. I should probably be doing something while I'm talking to you. My boyfriend is on the way. He's about to pick me up so that we can go grocery shopping. And then we might get a plant, a couple plants. I know I want to get a couple, but I don't know. He told me that there's this hopefully. I'm back. Okay. So yeah, my boyfriend had to help out his sister's friend, or I don't know, help out somebody. And he came across like a plant place. I don't know. So he said that there's plants that we could get from there, but I kind of don't really want real plants yet. Cause like, man, I don't think I can take care of them. I really don't. So I kind of just want, especially for my bathroom. I mean, and if I do get plants, I really love succulents. I like a couple, I like fiddly figs. I like snake plants. So I just edited last night 2 videos. And I don't know, like, there's really nothing I can do about it because you can't really redo an empty house tour. But like, I mean, they're not terrible. It's just like, the video itself is just pretty boring. But like, I'm trying to think if I would like it because I know like, I love all empty house tours. All things moving, all things organizing, so. I don't know. I'm gonna upload them. I'm just kind of like about it. Then I have 2 other videos. I'm hungry. I'm starving. Let me drink this. I need to be more hydrated. Oh yes, boring. So, oh yeah, so I have another 2 videos though that like I'm excited about. The road trip would be kind of cool. I didn't get that much because honestly, so with my road trip video, I kind of have to like narrate through because I just feel like that would help the substance of the actual video, or also kind of just be boring. Hello?
Yeah, I'm down there.
Alright, I'm coming. Alright, bye. Bruh. You would think that he'd call me when he was gonna get close.
Though I try, it all feels the same.
Oh yeah, it's just gonna help the overall video because it'll kind of probably be boring, to be honest. TBH. Okay, so I'm about to take you guys off this tripod, put you on my mobile tripod, and get the freak. Bye, Rico. Bye, buddy. So I just came back from the grocery store, or from Trader Joe's, and then we went to Target to get some other things. And let's put them away. I'm YouTubing. Okay, so. Okay. So I got lemongrass chicken sticks from Trader Joe's. These are bomb. I got butter chicken with basmati rice. We got mini chicken tikka samosas. These were bomb. And then I got some vegetable ones because my boyfriend doesn't eat chicken, or he only eats, he's pescatarian. And I got jasmine rice. I got white jasmine rice for me. And then I got brown jasmine rice for my boyfriend. I'm gonna try it though, because I didn't know that. I never knew that you could get white or brown jasmine rice, so it might be good. And if I like it, then I'll get it. Then I got this Menage a Trois Decadence Cabernet Sauvignon. I'm gonna try it. I've never had it before. So I used to be obsessed with Stella Rosa wine, but it is too sweet. I get me headaches, me and my boyfriend, so that should be good. Got some hamburger buns. Got some Argentinian red shrimp. Coconut shrimp. Coconut scrimps. Are you kidding me? Just kidding. Tuna burgers, which are actually really good. My boyfriend, how he makes them is he cooks them and then he puts avocado and we eat it in lettuce. Really good. Some ground beef patties. Some sweet chili sauce, because when I ate those samosas and like some other things like that, like the lemongrass sticks, I really would have wanted this Thai sauce, because it is the bomb. Or not Thai, what is this? I don't know. Maybe it is Thai. Sweet chili sauce with the goat. And then Korean barbecue sauce. I've never tried this brand, but we're gonna give it a go. I'm gonna marinate some chicken up in it. We got some Louisiana Crystal hot sauce. Okay, story time. Not really, but so basically I've been obsessed with putting, as soon as I go to show, I go on the camera, he stops. Bruh. Okay, so anyways, I've been obsessed with putting whipped cream in my coffee and my hot chocolate. And so I ran out of the whipped cream. So I got some whipped cream off of Amazon Prime, or Amazon Now, or Prime Now. And this is just, I won't say it's poo, but it's like, not the best, okay? It's not. So, when I went to Trader Joe's, because this is the whipped cream that I was using, but I forgot where I went, because like I went to a few different grocery stores when I went and did my initial grocery shopping. And I found it. This is like the best whipped cream I've ever had. Like ever had. Bro, so I had to get two. Save going to the store. And they last me. I got another wine to try. It's a Trader Joe's wine. It's called Petit Verdot Paso Robles. Probably pronounced that all wrong, but don't come for me, please, because I didn't send for you. Okay. Juicy blackberry mixed with lavender on the palate. So the notes, the description says, juicy blackberry mixed with lavender on the palate with extremely soft, supple tannins. Bananas. Okay, I don't know where to put the bananas though. But yeah, you know how I said I was gonna go to well, we might go get a plant. We can get any plants. But then when we were leaving Trader Joe's, we saw really cute plants outside, but we missed it when we were going in, I guess. So we'll have to do that another day. I got kimchi from Trader Joe's. I hope it's good. As a matter of fact, let's try to do a little taste test. lastly, I got juices. So this one is a 100% freshly pressed apples, flash pasteurized apple juice. Okay, hi. So, just thought I'd unbox some more stuff with you. So I got skincare because I ran out of mine, like right when I was moving, which was like perfect. Cause you know when you like have stuff that you like don't really want to bring, but you know you spent the money on it. Anyways, like all my stuff ran out right before I was gonna leave. Like my shampoo, my body wash, like everything. So I got, and like I was trying, so what I just last used for skincare was Ole Henriksen, I don't know, Ole Henriksen, I think that's how you pronounce it. It was the orange one, and I tried the whole, like the true serum, the under eye cream, and the face cream, and it was cool. I don't know, cause like, see, I don't have many problems with my skin, other than I do get eczema breakouts all over my face, flare-ups, I mean, and I haven't really buckled down when it happens. I know for sure it happens, like if I don't wash my face, I go stop. If I wear makeup and I take it off with the base wipe, the next day I'm gonna have eczema breakout. If I'm not moisturizing my skin, that'll get a flare up. But I've also noticed sometimes I can do all that, and like if I go to another state. So it just, anything really makes my skin flare up, but it's not that often, and I know how to combat it, so it's not that big of an issue. Other than that, I have like normal to dry skin, like dry combination. And I mean, for the longest, I just use, ever since my mom put me onto it, Cetaphil, like just Cetaphil, and that worked fine. But like I like trying out new products, so then I use Clinique, which I've used Clinique before, even before I started working there. And then I use Clinique, and I like Clinique too. Yeah, Clinique is good, just the packaging's not that cute, you know. So like I tried something else. I tried the so after that I tried I forget what it's called. It's called Youth Skin. Yeah, so it's called the Youth to the People. It was I got it from Sephora. And that was cool too, but it like, you know, it's not, it was nothing negative, to be honest. Actually, there was one negative. The face wash was cool, the serum was cool, but I didn't really like the moisturizer. It didn't keep me moisturized good enough. So yes, so then I went to Ole Henriksen, and now we're here. So you already know what this pink bag means. So I don't know, I thought I would try it. I thought I would try Glossier out. It's Glossier if you didn't know, but I thought I'd try it out. So I got the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. It's a conditioning face wash, so I'm excited to try that. And then secondly, what I put on after that would be the serum. So I got the Super Bounce one because it was for dry skin. It says, so this is what the, ooh, sorry, I go Super Bounce, and then look how tiny. So that's that. It says Super Bounce serum with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 to ease and soften tight, rough skin. Apply over clean face and follow with moisturizer. So we're gonna give that a go. And then, so they have a priming lotion, but I read reviews and people said it didn't really keep them that moisturized. It was better as a primer. So I thought I'd go with the Rich moisturizer. So that's the priming moisturizer. So we'll give that a go, and I'll let you know what I think about it once I've tried it for a couple weeks, because honestly that's when like I'll be able to tell like, okay, my skin's breaking out now, because that's one thing I'm really good at. I'm really in tune with my skin. So what am I about to do? I guess I'll show you. So yeah, I don't know if this is final yet, but here's them.